Alright then gang, so in this video I want to show you two different things. The first thing I want to show you is how to initially transition or animate items onto a page. So when the page first loads, instead of the items just popping onto the screen, they transition in, maybe they fade in or something like that. Well, the way we do that is very simple. All we need to do is come up to the transition components, which is up here somewhere. Here we go, the transition group, and what I'm going to do is add on the appear prop. And what that means is when the page first loads, I want you to transition these in when they first appear. So it will use the transition classes to enter right here to do that. So if I save this and come over here and refresh, then we should see they fade in and they get a bit bigger as they come in as well. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you. The next thing I want to show you is how to animate these items after something is deleted or when something is added. So say we've got a few things added. If I delete one, it's going to animate out and then these two are just going to jump up. Now instead of them jumping up, I'd like to animate them up, and also it would be the same for adding new items. If I add something, these are all going to jump down to make room for it. I'd like to slide them down instead. So to do that, we can use an extra class that this transition group right here gives us. And that extra class is a move class. So what we can do is come down here and we use the transition name, first of all, list, and then hyphen move, like so. And then all we need to do is say transition, and we're going to use all 0.3 seconds and then ease. And what this does is use a transform under the hood to move it into its new position. Now, in order for this to work when we take out an item, we need to do one more thing, but let me show you adding new items first of all. If I do this, you can see they all slide down now to their new position first. But if we remove items, it doesn't work. It still jumps up. And the reason is because we have to do one more thing, and that is to come to the list leave active class and set a position on this to absolute. And when we absolutely position that, it takes it out of the normal document flow. So the item we're removing is taken out of normal document flow, and therefore we can use a transition under that to move the rest up. So hopefully if I save this, it should work now. Yep, everything works now. And incidentally, the reason I gave this up here, this UL, a position of relative, is because I would later position these things absolute. This is one of the li tags as we remove it. So we're positioning absolutely to that UL right here. So there we go. That is the initial transition onto the page, and also the move transition when we either add new items or remove items.